In the Eerie forest, where the rotten orange fruit tree monster and the feline deathclaw reside, numerous other creatures add to the haunting atmosphere. Here are some examples of these eerie forest inhabitants: ghostly owls, white, spectral owls with luminous eyes that silently glide through the misty forest; shadow wolves, ethereal wolves with dark, wispy fur that prowl the shadows, their eyes glowing like eerie orbs; haunted bats, pale, translucent bats that flit through the air, emitting an eerie, otherworldly screech; spectral spiders, spindly, glowing spiders that weave intricate webs that seem to trap ghostly specters; phantom foxes, translucent fox-like creatures that appear and disappear, leaving no trace of their passage; nightshade ravens, black ravens with piercing red eyes that seem to observe everything from the treetops; spirit deer, pale, ghostly deer that move gracefully through the mist, blending with the ethereal environment; haunting hedgehogs, small, spectral hedgehogs that roll into balls and disappear into the shadows when approached; whispering trees, enchanted trees that emit eerie whispers as the wind rustles through their gnarled branches; phantom swans, elegant swans with shimmering, transparent feathers that glide across the misty lake; wraith butterflies, pale butterflies with faint, eerie glows that flutter through the dense foliage; shadow serpents, elusive serpents with dark, smoky scales that slither silently through the undergrowth. These creatures, each with its own mysterious and spectral qualities, contribute to the eerie and otherworldly ambience of the forest, making it a place of both beauty and danger. The Eerie forest is a place of haunting beauty and mystical allure. It stretches far and wide, shrouded in a perpetual mist that adds to its mysterious atmosphere. The golden hour, with its warm and diffused sunlight, creates an ethereal glow that permeates through the dense foliage, casting long shadows on the forest floor. The twisted trees stand like ancient sentinels, their gnarled roots and branches reaching out like bony fingers. Some of these trees are remnants of Japanese cherry trees, now dried and withered, adding a touch of melancholic beauty to the scene. The cherry tree branches intertwine with wilted wildflowers and desiccated grass, giving the forest an air of forgotten memories and faded dreams. Luminous mushrooms dot the forest floor, emitting an eerie glow that illuminates the path in an otherworldly light. Twisted vines crawl up the trees, coiling around their trunks like serpents in a mesmerizing dance. Ominous dark flowers bloom amidst the shadows, their petals as black as the night, exuding an intoxicating scent that lingers in the air. The forest is home to a variety of haunting creatures, including the rotten orange fruit tree monster. As one ventures deeper into the forest, one may encounter other enigmatic beings, like spectral apparitions and ethereal beings that seem to exist between the realms of life and death. These mermaid-like specters glide gracefully beneath the surface of the saltwater mountain lake, their presence adding an otherworldly allure to the underwater world. Amidst the haunting beauty, the misty forest holds an aura of foreboding and treachery. Shadows seem to move on their own, and strange whispers can be heard in the breeze. The air is thick with a sense of ancient secrets and untold stories, making visitors feel both drawn to and wary of the forest's enigmatic charm. Despite its eerie ambiance, the forest exudes a raw and primal energy that captivates the imagination. The interaction of light and shadow, the juxtaposition of life and decay, and the coexistence of beauty and horror make this place a photographer's dream and a storyteller's playground. Visitors who dare to step foot into the Eerie forest will find themselves immersed in a world that is simultaneously mesmerizing and unsettling, a realm where the line between reality and fantasy blurs into an unforgettable experience. The mermaid-like specters in the Eerie forest are ethereal beings that seem to embody both the beauty of the underwater world and the haunting mysteries of the realm beyond. They are a mesmerizing sight to behold, with their translucent, shimmering forms that seem to waver and dance like reflections in water. These specters are not typical mermaids, but rather a unique manifestation of the forest's magical energy. They appear as humanoid figures with elongated limbs and flowing, semi-transparent tendrils that resemble aquatic fins. Their luminous, opalescent skin glows with an inner light, casting an enchanting radiance in the dark waters of the saltwater mountain lake.